Hi, in this video we'll be checking that how we can enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth while we are in the flight mode. So procedure is very simple. Just drop down and you can see the flight mode here. Keep pressing it while you can see there is the setting, and under that setting there is uh, message: turn off all networks including calling, texting and internet access, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And to enable the Wi-Fi, again we have to either go to the settings or we can enable it via quick setting panel. So we will be doing it via quick setting panel. So let's enable the flight mode first. So it got enabled. We can go back, and quick setting panel we can enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both. So you can see you are in the flight mode. You cannot actually make a call or do anything, but still you can uh, use Bluetooth and Wi-Fi both. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like and share my videos. uh, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.